In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to cut out a bridge connector. So the supplies you're going to need are going to be sterile 4x4s, betadine, the green sterile towels, sterile scissors, and then a straight connector with a lure lock, either a 1/4 inch or 3/8, and then a stopcock. So what you're going to do is you're just going to clean all around the tubing with your sterile gloves and the betadine, and clean around the bridge as well. And then you're going to want to get your stopcock and make sure there's an inclusive cap on it, and get your rotating connector and put it into the stopcock, and put your rotating connector into your 3/8, 3/8 straight, or 1/4 inch straight, whichever tubing you're using. Once you've done this, you're going to prime it. Just prime one way and then turn your stopcock the other way and prime the other way. And then you're going to take off that stopcock that's on your bridge and replace it with the new one, keeping it sterile the whole time. And then you're going to place clamps on each side of the connector and make your cuts. And make sure you have someone who can fill. So you're going to connect that connector to that tubing and get your syringe and fill both that connector and that tubing. And once you ensure there's no air, the safest thing to do is to remove the clamp on the side before the bridge and to flow through your bridge to make sure there's no air. And then once you're sure there's no air, you can release your clamp and go back on ECMO. Just remember to place the clamp on your bridge so that you know how much flow your patient's actually getting.